How to disable clear count on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable clear count on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you're inside the WhatsApp, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And now here, under the Settings, simply scroll down and tap on Notification. And after that, you simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as Clear Count. So simply toggle off that option. And that's it. Now you have successfully disabled the clear count on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.